Hi, welcome to the Entrepreneurs Class channel. In today's video, we're going to look at how to get Shopify for $1 for 3 months. So, are you ready to launch your dream online store but worried about the cost? So, imagine building your own Shopify store for just $1 a month. Yes, $1 for next 3 months. So, in this video, I will show you exactly how to grab this exclusive offer. So, stick around, and you don't want to miss out this opportunity to start your online store. So let's dive in. So the first step is to sign up for Shopify. So click the link in the video description below to get access to this page. So when you get access to this page, you will see where it says start free trial. Then enter your email address. So after typing your password, then click create Shopify account. Then click create Shopify account. So this is where we are going to select what we want to sell. So it says let's get started. Where would you like to sell? So this is we have up to 6 options here. Whether we want to sell online store, or in person at event, social media, or in person at retail store, there an existing website or blog or online marketplace. So since you want to create an online store, you want to create Shopify store, then select online store, then click next. So if you want to, so it's the next page, it asks you which of these best describe you. So you are going to state what describe you. I'm just starting, or I am already selling online or in person. So just click I'm just starting. So when you click on just starting, then you got to go to it's going to ask you what do you want to sell. So we can select from these options. We have what to sell: product, or buy or make yourself. Then dropshipping product, so print on demand product, sell digital product or services. So for the case of this video, I'm going to select dropshipping product. So since we are creating our store to sell a physical product or dropshipping product, so I select a dropshipping product, then click get started. So after clicking get started, then it asks us to select our plan. So which plan do you want to try? So we have 3 options here. We have basic plan, we have Shopify plan, then we have advanced plan. So for the sake of this video now, I'm going to select basic plan. This is most popular for sole entrepreneurs. So then try basic. Then after clicking on the bar, or select by pay with credit card. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to select pay with paper. As you can see now, pay with paper. So I can pay with paper here. So also, if you prefer, you can select pay with a credit card. Then after selecting, then we click on the paper. Then this dashboard now, you can design your store in 1 second. You can add your custom domain, you can name your store, you can set up your Shopify rate, you can set up your payment provider, then you can place a test order. So this is how to create a Shopify free account and $1 for 3 months. So this is a Shopify method. So you can play around and see how you can continue to customize your store, add your custom domain, name your store, then set up your shipping rate, and so on. So I hope this video has helped you on how to get a Shopify for $1 for 3 months.